Hi everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video we will see how the find function works. The find function is used in order to obtain the position of a substring within a string. So what we have here is a few strings and then we have a few substrings that are present in column A, and we will find the position of these characters in the string using the find function. Let's see how that is done. So the very first example is, the name Hashim Amla, and the substring to be found is A. So using the find function, we will see where the capital letter A is found in Hashim Amla, the full name. All right. So all you have to do is come to column C and start typing the formula find. Press the tab key, and the very first parameter is what is your find text. So the find text here is I want to find out A. So I'll select the cell, or you can also type in the character A in quotes, anything that works for you. So I'll just type out the cell. I'll just select the cell here, comma, and it asks you within text. So within text is the actual string from which you want to find out this character A. So the actual string is in column A, that is cell A2. And the last one is the start number. So in this case, I don't want to provide a start number. And when you don't provide a start number, it will basically start finding the character A from the beginning of the string. All right. So let's just avoid start number for now and close the bracket, press on enter. And there you have it. It says 8. 8 because if you notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the 8th character is capital A. All right. In this case, let's say if your character instead of A, it was small a. All right. So if it was small a, then you will get 2 because the second character in the string is A. All right. So if I just flash fill it, let me just double click. All right. So there you have it. So G is at the 10th location, small n is at second location, and then you have man, MAN, which starts at the 6th location. So this is very important. If you have a substring which is more than one character, then using the find function will give you the starting position of the substring. So in this case, substring starts from location 6. The position is 6 and then it goes on. Now, another example I wanted to show you is using the start number, that is the third parameter. All right. So in this case, if you notice, it is giving us the result as 2. That is because it will result the very first occurrence of the substring. So in this case, A was found at the second location. So that is why you are getting 2. Now, if you notice closely, there is another A at the very end of the actual string. So how do you get a position of this? In order to get this, what you have to do is you can use the third parameter, that is start number. So in this case, you already know if you don't provide the start number, it calculates from the very beginning. Now that we know that small a is at second location, let me try giving 3 as the start number and then see if we get the position. So there you go. Now A is reportedly found at location 11. That's because if you count one by one, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is the space is also counted, 8, 9, 10, and the 11th character is your small a. This is 11 because you have provided the start number. If you don't provide it, it will give you 2 because that is the first occurrence. So that's about it. In the next video, we will show you how to use find function along with the left and right functions, where you can, mix and match it with different formulas to get appropriate results. Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Please like the video and share it with your friends and family. See you with another video in the coming week.